We are unloading the bags. She's ready for vacation. Just got to our room, which is absolutely beautiful, and I will definitely be doing a room tour for this place, but we're gonna change into our pajamas and go swimming in the ocean. Our bathing suits. I'm excited. I am all ready for our first night at dinner, but I have this Banana Republic kind of a sweater shirt. This is an H&M skirt, and it is so silky. And I love it. And then finally some Anina Bang sandals. Good morning. It's our first morning here. Just got out of the ocean. I relaxed a little bit, read. Awesome, he did it again. So I am prepping some caviar chips for Justin and I. We like this brand Imperial, and then some creme fraiche, and we do 2 potato chips, and as you can see we do a potato chip, some creme fraiche, and another potato chip on top. I'm gonna put caviar on the top, and we're gonna have a yummy little snack. All right, here's the chips, and then some Evans Ranch white wine. Hello. Here you go, some wine, some caviar chips. We are heading out to dinner now. I want to show you guys my outfit. Just this little white dress, some platform shoes, and this purse that I love. It has a little K on it. Ooh. Follow me, follow me. Jordan. You're like an Instagram boyfriend right now. Just Jordan. Go ahead, guys. Dig in. Time for our first dive. Love when they're under the water like that. Hurry, get out of the boat. Give another plantain.
Yo, wait for it. Okay, put your face under.
Ah, he just came and took it. Oh my gosh. All right, that's our boat. Our diving day is complete. We are taking our bikes over to the main pool. There's the tennis court that we still need to try. Heading up to go get some lunch by the pool. All right, we have a feast for lunch. We have some spring rolls, gypsy salad, ahi tuna poke bowl, and chicken salad. Time for some parasailing. Well, that was a really great day. Here they are, island vibes. We are having the best dinner. We're going jet skiing. So beautiful. I like that shade that just came over us. And if you listen to the sounds, it's very different from other tropical vacations we've been on. You hear kind of cicadas or something. And just one more look at our private residence. It's huge and gorgeous. Our jet ski just came in. Woo. We saw some turtles, so everyone's trying to go in and snorkel. They're looking for the turtles, haven't found them yet. We are doing a little hike right now. Luckily the sun is not out, or it is, but it's not blazing down on us. Here's the little path. All these little coconut trees. That one already has some on it. This is cute. Couples can come and plant their own tree. It's possibly donation based. We have our cool down and 2 mussel milks. They are so yummy. Our last day in paradise. We are going paddleboarding. Let's go. It's beautiful today. Look at Justin coming back in after our paddleboard. Coming to get some lunch at our spot. Double fisting his
Did we get, did someone else
I'll
get
have
one?
one if there's an
vodka
Okay, sure.
after their crazy little catamaran ride.
What is that?
This is Placesso Reposado. This is Placesso.
So that's a
We've got some pina coladas. We're just like, all right, look at our lunch. Looks amazing. Yum. We just got ready. We're getting our treatments that we booked this morning. We're gonna head over. The butler, Mika, is picking us up, and I'm really excited for this treatment. Ah. Massages are all done, and we're being driven back to the room. Oh, his hands are cute. His fingers. Looking at you. That's funny. Imagine you.
Welcome to Saki. If I open this door, they'll be in your bed.
No!
Don't do it! Michael!
No!
Don't touch.
So we're on our way to the main lobby area / breakfast area. But to show you really quickly, these are what the other rooms look like. I think that is 4 rooms right there. Yeah, they have a bunch. I think they have 40 rooms here. Really beautiful. Here is the breakfast area. Wow, I just stepped outside. It's so pretty. You can see pretty much the entire hotel, I think. So you have the tennis court over there. That's the main pool. I love how you can see the umbrellas. And then I'm pretty sure those are like yoga houses and stuff. Still could oats. That is very green.
Yeah, it's more green than I was.
Biking through the banana plantation. Some baby bananas. The last lunch. Last bit of our trip, taking this boat back to Providenciales.
You guys had a wonderful.
Here we go, the last stop.